everybody. You're very welcome to a new brand highlight. And today I'm going to be talking about the autonomous SOC. And it's a dream organizations have, and it's a dream that the Stellar Cyber team are marching toward to help organizations actually achieve it. And I'm thrilled to have Subo on. Subo from Stellar Cyber, how are you?
Good to talk to you again.
It's good to see you as always, and a topic I'm passionate about, so I'm excited to hear what's going on from you. Maybe a quick word about who you are, your role at Stellar Cyber, and maybe a quick word about what Stellar Cyber is, so people have that in their
Yeah,
mind.
sure. So we're a security operations platform. We help different SOCs being able to manage their security services. We primarily sell mostly to MSSPs who serve an underserved market, like the mid market and below, who don't have the staff to be able to, create a whole SecOps team like enterprises do. But we also have some very marquee customers. We actually won some very big ones like Canon and others in the last quarter. So we're kind of an AI based platform to do security operations.
I love it. Yeah, we've had some good conversations about that. What's the latest from you and the team there, as your journey toward
Yeah.
making
So
autonomous
you
SOC
call it a
maybe?
dream. It was a dream, but it's actually reality now. So
Right.
we're getting close to the finish line. We've had several customers test our new autonomous SOC or the agentic AI based capabilities to automate triage of alerts as well as catching phishing. Because right now it's a needle in a haystack. You can have AI is actually a blessing, but also a curse. Because with AI, the bad actors are able to push so many different attacks faster than anybody else, and it's impossible for a SOC to be able to keep up and keep adding personnel to solve the problem. So everyone is kind of moving towards this agentic AI autonomous SOC, which will automate. I call them my digital army. They're doing the work. They don't sleep, and they're able to kind of quickly filter out what is true positive versus false positive, so that you can quickly remediate. So we're almost there. You're gonna hear more at RSA with the unveiling, but we're getting some very solid results from our early access partners, and they're excited that we're going to really take automation to the next level by introducing the agentic AI autonomous SOC.
Can you give me a before and after picture? What
Yeah,
what
so I
what happened
mean,
before, and what do you
yeah,
do that
so
makes it
I'm
super
just going
cool?
to give you, because I don't want to spill the beans of our product
Of
announcement, but
course, yeah.
basically you can see, like, if you have 1,000 alerts, it would probably take you several days or weeks. We're now reducing that into days, right? So kind of basically being able to filter 70-80% of the alerts that are coming in, so you can narrow it down to the 20% to focus on. And that's a dramatic change, right? Because the only way you could have solved that, besides our XDR platform, allows you to discover it, but it's an extremely manual task. So just unprecedented productivity, but more importantly, faster response, right? The whole idea is to prevent attacks. And we want security operations to be armed to be able to do that. And because we call it human augmented versus some of the other vendors, it learns and interacts with our solution. So it learns, it's a learning system, and then it guides the SOC analyst to become more productive.
And quickly touch on the impact that has on MSSPs as they serve their customers.
Yeah, I mean, so the big thing is MSSPs too are also budget constrained and margins are thin, right? So having this capability on top of their XDR platform allows them to serve more customers faster. So that allows you to reduce, the mean time to repair is faster, so it's better serving their customers, and then it can grow more tenants, right? Which is, if they grow revenue, we grow, right? Which is a great thing.
Yeah, yeah. More customers get protected, which is
Yep.
great as well. So as we wrap here, Subo, you're getting a lot of recognition from your customers and your partners through MSSPs, but also some additional recognition from the analyst community. What's going on
Yeah,
there?
yeah. So we were number three in the MSSP alert in terms of the top software vendors supporting MSSPs. We were three behind, I think it was Microsoft and CrowdStrike. We just got the last year award, which was in Q4. We're now number two. We're like it's like an election. We were like, we were counting Chads like in Florida. We were like few numbers away to be number one behind the giants like Microsoft. So we're very proud of that, to be the number two vendor serving MSSPs. And another very big exciting is, as you know, our platform is a unified platform. It does all things security operations, like a SIM, next generation. It can do identity protection, but it also has NDR. So NDR is built into the platform for any network detections. We serve IT as well as OT devices. And Gartner did their first introductory NDR Magic Quadrant, and we're on the top left challenger. We're the only vendor that has a full XDR platform that is considered an NDR leader. So we're really proud, competing with the likes of Darktrace, Vectra, who've been doing this for decades.
Yep.
And now our goal is to kind of move to the right and move into the leadership quadrant.
Yeah, that's fantastic. And I know a lot of blood, sweat, and tears go into making something that customers like, and then the analysts can appreciate and recognize as well, and understand it. So your ability to present it in a way that they recognize the value is not easy. So congratulations on all of those achievements and all the good work you're doing. And Subo, always good to chat with you.
Yeah, absolutely. And I'm looking forward to seeing you at RSA next month.
Yeah, so everybody connect with Subo and the Stellar Cyber team, and stay tuned for more chats as we head into RSA conference. And I'm excited to hear all the nitty gritty of what you're releasing at the show.
Yeah, it's more to come, so stay tuned.
Very good. Thanks, everybody.